Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. Today we're reviewing Lean Peak, a supplement that claims to support metabolism, weight control, and balanced energy levels. It's being promoted as a plant-based formula designed to help with fat metabolism and appetite management, all without relying on heavy stimulants. Sounds impressive, but does it actually live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First, the marketing. Lean Peak presents itself as a supportive supplement rather than a miracle fat burner. That's actually a positive sign. The website mentions that it works best when combined with proper diet and exercise instead of promising dramatic overnight transformations. Compared to many over-the-top weight loss ads, that approach feels more realistic. However, realistic marketing alone doesn't equal legitimacy. When reviewing any supplement, the ingredient label is critical. A trustworthy product should clearly list every active ingredient along with dosage amounts. It should also explain how each component supports metabolism or appetite control. Vague ingredient blends or missing dosage details can be red flags. Next, manufacturing standards matter. Products made in FDA-registered and GMP-certified facilities generally meet certain safety and quality guidelines. While this doesn't guarantee the supplement will work for everyone, it does add a layer of credibility. Another smart step is checking independent customer feedback. Don't rely only on testimonials displayed on the official website. Look for third-party reviews to see if users actually experienced improved energy or appetite control, or if results were underwhelming. So, is Lean Peak a scam? Based on its presentation alone, there are no obvious signs of fraud. It appears to follow typical supplement industry practices. That said, weight management products affect everyone differently, and no supplement replaces healthy habits. As always, consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay informed before you spend your money. Thank you.